Well, hey everyone, it's April with Honest Abe Living in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is one of our family's favorites, the Tater Tot Casserole. So let's just dive in and get you ready to enjoy this quick, easy, and delicious meal. So all you're gonna need is a pound of ground beef. This is our special Akaushi beef that we raise here on our farm. You'll need some tater tots. We prefer the mini tater tots because we have toddlers in this house, but you can also do the regular size, whichever you prefer. You'll need about a half a bag of cheese and a can of cream of mushroom soup. That is it. Super easy, super delicious. Let's get cooking. All right, so our first step, just grab a bowl and we're just going to put our cream of mushroom soup in a bowl with about a half a bag of cheese. And all you're gonna do is just kind of stir this together, and we're gonna pour this over our ground beef once we get it in our baking dish. So then grab your baking dish and we're just gonna put our ground beef in the bottom. And we love cast iron skillets. It's my favorite thing to cook our beef in. When I was pregnant, fun fact, I never had an iron problem because we cooked out of cast iron. So, fun fact, if you need some iron, use cast iron. So we're just gonna put our ground beef there, just spread it out evenly. And then we're gonna take our cream of mushroom, and then we'll spread that out evenly. And once this cooks together, it's gonna be, oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, next, just take your cream of mushroom soup and your cheese mixture, and then we'll spread that out evenly. And once this cooks together, it's gonna be, oh, it's so good. It's so good. All right, then our final step, we're just gonna place tater tots right on top of our casserole. You keep doing it. You're doing a great job. Yeah, you're doing great. I appreciate your helping. Ooh, this is gonna be good, isn't it? Yep.
That one.
It's all right. All right, so once you spread your tater tots out, it's ready to bake. 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Make sure those tater tots are done and enjoy. All right, so our tater tot casserole is done. It looks wonderful, and y'all, this is really delicious. So I hope you and your family enjoy.